everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Erit, and I'm a small artist on YouTube, a very small artist. This is my YouTube story so far. I think my love for art has always been there since I was a kid. I remember being fascinated with anime, manga, and art from around the world, especially art from Egypt and Japan, thanks to Yu-Gi-Oh! As I grew older, I knew I wanted to pursue art for a living, but I didn't think it was possible. My extended family looked down on it, so when I got into university, I followed my mom's advice and tried to get a business degree. That didn't go well. I hated going to class and my grades were terrible. I knew I made a mistake. When finals came around, I had a mini breakdown and I just wrote my name on the exam and walked out without answering anything. I knew this wasn't for me. After speaking with my counselor, she suggested something called art history. Now, I'm a sucker for both art and history, so I was intrigued. I decided to go for it, and it was the best decision of my life. I was happy again. Balancing a full-time job and university was tough. Sometimes I'd get no sleep at all, but something inside me kept pushing me to go to class. My proudest moment was winning second place in an art competition for a clay art piece, and getting a whole 20 buckaroos. I celebrated with a friend by getting burgers from the campus cafeteria. Those were some of the best years of my life. After graduating though, I felt lost. Everything seemed to fall apart. My mom passed away, I quit my job, and I felt like I didn't know what I was doing. The only job experience I had was in the medical field, so I thought that was my only option. But no matter what job I took, I ended up quitting. Feeling like an absolute failure, I decided to do something that didn't require job experience, and that was YouTube. I created my first account and started posting. I had no idea how to film. I knew how to take photos, but filming, editing, scripting? What's scripting? It was a mess. After getting the hang of things, I opened a new channel, focused on planning and journaling. But that got boring really quickly, so I scratched it. Now we're here, on my third channel, and I love it, because why? It's all about art. Do I feel like I walked around in a giant circle? Absolutely. But it's okay, sometimes you have to be lost to be found. So thank you for always being there for me, and happy 1-year anniversary, my friends. Until next time, bye!